Hello guys, so if you're looking to use WhatsApp on more than one devices without logging out from the original device, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So for doing that, what you have to do is firstly open WhatsApp on your original device, then click on the three dots at the top right, then go to link devices. Now after that, go to the second device that you want to log in. So in that device, what you have to do is just simply open your browser. Then in browser, just simply search for WhatsApp web. Now before going to WhatsApp web, there is a thing that you have to do. So what you have to do is click on the three dots on your browser, then choose desktop site. Now just simply open the first link. Now all you have to do is just simply click on link a device on your main screen and scan the QR code. So after you have scanned, you will see that you are now able to use WhatsApp on your other device as well. But the only problem is that you have to use the WhatsApp in the WhatsApp web in your browser, because that's the only way you can use both the WhatsApps without logging out in any device. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.